Good morning, all. My name is Prabhakar. I'm going to explain to do the analysis by taking the financial companies. Here, today I'm going to explain that the business structure in the Ansys tool. So let's start with the first thing. When we select static structure, the range in different application. Let's say whatever you have seen in that static structure. First, we are going to assign them to here. If any component, we get the deformation work. We see different material, different kind of deformation will be work. With plastic, with different deformation. When we are applying the load, the plastic and the steel material and the wood material, there is a different kind of deformation will be there. It is like written glass. While applying the load, there is a different kind of deformation finding. So first we are going to select the material, take it and edit the material so that you find the material library, default material library. In there, we need to add the material for the component. So select the engineering data sources, left side, top side, left, top side, we find the engineering data sources. In that, usually there is a data sources different type. If you in different kind of material you can select it. In this library, we are going to select the general material. So once we select the general material, when we set the general material, there will be a this many materials added. So at present, we're going to take the three materials. First, aluminum alloy, and I will take aluminum is already part of the incubator. Once again, we go for that, but we have a default material. Whichever all material we added, that will be coming plane. Okay. Then once we are selecting material, go for the project. When whichever all the YouTube is given, that will be reflecting as a right click and green mark. So then next input we need to provide the material, which kind of material component we are going to select. Is a beam, plate, rectangular box, square box, what kind of I-beam, channels, each kind of components that we need to select with here. We can import and we can design it. And we can, there is a three options in there. These two are creating the component in this level and system level. And this is the importing. Already we are created added from added and going to Catia. By using that chat tools, whichever all the components is created, that we can compute from IGS and then step transfer. So we are going to import right now. We are going to import the component. So already I created one plate and kept it here. I will import this plate. Into this computer. Then we are going to be workbench. In this workbench, all the methods are in here. So right you can edit. So that then will be open. Take time so that we put it on the we will complete the created in the next area of catalog. Then we are going to choose the library results is create already before the plan. You want to view then we will create some a lot of changes in the then we going to select the view. Select file of the issue. So I need to yourself that we prepare your you should do the work for you. Then you do a proper machine. Machine is all content into a machine. Because not much is we need a machine running that it result is there. And you make it generate mesh. Before the mesh is done, they will record very small machine. Size of machine. The default size of the machine. The time doing and the fabric and one option with the machine size. Select that one, select this, and then select the edge. You know, so machine will open. This and select. Okay, even that. So you will see that the machine division will be one way. So we required about here in type variable is option will be available for the machine. Then we select the value second one number of dividends. We selected that one, actually the number of divisions of machine. Once you have given that one, we are very easy display. If you see this the dividend, three dividends. Then we go for the generate mesh. You are in so I just when you have that mesh, that will be the any being paid anything is there, you need to be the exercise. We need to fix this. Yes, shall this piece is not the page is it's so now we are going to write a load. This place is mixing and we are going to apply load here. Usually load into applying is bigger than rate because we will get the purpose is there. So make it when you do that. And like this. Then we go from the area in directions in the right and then confidence. We are going to select the following. As a confidence. This is in their direction of coding. We get minus 10. Once we are doing the 10 of the year, we put that into all the inputs and beyond in the subject solution. We need to solve it. Okay. Then whichever result is the depend on the after this condition yes your illnesses yes of the body is maybe you go out of whether it is that is the We're using this and applying the technical layout for the aluminum wheel. What is the deformation that will be displayed here? Okay. When you apply here, so that you will see the total deformation or the deformation taking place by applying the technical. So you see, given we have in place, you change your result. Yeah. See that compared to the everything levels. The use to I think you